Wow, what is this yellow boy?
Oh, it's gonna be hard.
Yeah, very. Coaching yellow boy.
Yeah.
I don't like playing.
Do I have to call him?
Yeah, you gotta call it. They call it.
Call this one.
They don't hot. They don't hot.
Just hope to pray you don't scratch.
I see him in again, dog. Fuck that, bro.
Oh, bro, you just gave him an open shot.
Little boys.
Come on, Brent.
Can't even walk to Jermaine. She got on the phone.
Flash.
Brain.
Folks,
this is still hard.
Okay.
Oh.
Jermaine, she ain't got it.
Try this out. I just tried.
You know when these four play, we might as well just call them African booty scratchers, cause that's what all they do. They scratch. Whoa, you don't mess around now. Shandon, you got you a freak.
Yo, hit this. Yo, hit this.
Oh, yeah! We gotta get the 8 ball somewhere.
Come on. I'm gonna stand right here just for you hit the ball.
By end.
Oh, my God! I missed
Scratch. Damn it.
Come on.
Hold your face.
You're still not gonna go because...
Shut up.
Sorry.
I'll give you a call, though.
This is an irritating game. I hope we win.
Y'all playing with irritating people. I'll be calling it an irritating game too.
Don't make them.
Get him somewhere. Oh, no.
Don't sit up.
Jermaine, you get him! Jermaine, you get him! Oh, this is gonna be hard.
This is the last shot. Everybody shh.
Hard.
Oh! You guys dead again, dog.
Ooh, he won 2 times. Losers over there.
Thank you for tuning in to the world's stupidest pool game. So yeah, bye-bye. We just got busted. Okay, we just got busted.
You can hear them from upstairs.
We just got busted, so we tried to keep it down, but you know, people wanna act all stupid and shit and be yelling when people be sleeping at what, 2 o'clock in the motherfucking morning. And yeah. So thank you and good night or good morning. Bye.